Hello, I'm Shashank Daté. I'm VP of Engineering at Rothbright. And at Rothbright, we develop products using AI, and we also offer services for our clients to use AI. And most of them have this problem. There are millions of models out there on Hugging Face, thousands of apps, hundreds of platforms, and there's just one of you. You being very, very unique. And then how do I choose the best model for you? How do you know that this is best for me? Okay, that's the problem that we try to solve. I wish I knew about Archaea because that's exactly one of the things that we try to do. Now, you being a freelancer would have a different answer than from you being a business owner or an enterprise person, person working at the enterprise. So we have to tweak our answers for who you are, specifically for you. So it's subjectivity that matters. We are talking of Gen AI, not predictive AI. For predictive AI, there are very well written tools to do all the calculations of how good a prediction is. Not so much for Gen AI, and that's where we want to help. So we are not really looking for a generic solution. We are looking for a specific solution which has both qualitative and quantitative analysis done to answer that question. Best. What's best? Okay, well, what's best is your definition of best, not somebody else's, not the world's definition of best. Your definition. You are in control. And therefore, you decide what is good, better, best. How do we do that? We do that using your intelligence, your experience, your intuition, and mixing that with AI. So we use AI to use AI, okay? And then we use a very data-driven approach. We use AI, as you all know, has to rely on a lot of data, otherwise AI is useless. And so we use a data-driven approach to come up with a solution just for you. Our solution, we want it to be ethical, which means we want our data to be de-biased as much as possible. We all live in a very biased world, we all know that. And even good data has negative bias in it. We want to be able to eliminate that negative bias as much as possible using AI. It's a very hard problem to crack, but it is possible. We want it to be responsible. We use IBM's Risk Atlas. IBM has published a Risk Atlas that tells you how to use responsibly, so we try to adhere to that. And then we also want it to be process-driven so that it is robust. Things change constantly, and we want our solution to not change as much. So it's a very challenging and a very rewarding experience. We have challenges like data drift. We have challenges like hallucinations. This landscape is changing constantly, and therefore we have to come up with a solution that changes with that changing landscape every day. What is true today may not be true tomorrow. And so you need to have a way to get that best out of it every single time, every day. That's what we do. I'm Shashank Daté again. Hit me up on LinkedIn. Obviously, I'm going to talk to Garib here to see how we can incorporate. We are doing this multi-model evaluator. It's a tool that we are building for both text, video, and text and image right now, and very soon we will publish it for video. And that's why I said it's subjective. You know, what video is better for you is what we are trying to find out. Okay? That's it for me. Thank you so much. I'm Shashank again.